All right, let's get right into it. What if I told you that some of the very vitamins you're taking for your health could actually be doing more harm than good? I know it sounds crazy, but some really surprising new research is changing everything we thought we knew about supplements, especially for those of us over 60.
You know, it's a question that really flies in the face of everything we've been taught. Our whole lives, it's been vitamins equal health, right? But what if that simple math is wrong? What if after a certain age, it could even be dangerous?
Take a look at this number, 135,000. That's how many adults over 60 retracted in a huge 2024 study in JAMA Internal Medicine. And the results were so alarming, they had to stop the study early. Why? Because more than half the people were taking supplements that increase their risk of things like heart disease and stroke.
And this really gets to the core of it. See, after age 60, our bodies just work differently. Your stomach acid changes, your kidneys filter differently, the whole system gets a new operating manual. So it's not an exaggeration to say that the vitamin that was your best friend at 40 can actually turn on you at 70.
So, with that in mind, let's get into the first part of our guide. We're going to walk through 4 specific supplements that the latest science says you should probably clear out of your cabinet, unless, of course, your doctor has specifically told you to take them.
First on the list, high-dose vitamin E. For years, we heard it was a miracle for heart health. But, well, the story has completely changed. The new research has turned that idea on its head.
The problem is something called synthetic overload. It's kind of like putting the wrong fuel in your car. Most vitamin E pills use a lab-made version that your body just doesn't recognize. And get this, a huge analysis from Johns Hopkins found that people taking over 400 IUs of this synthetic stuff every day had a 17% higher risk of death. From any cause, it was literally doing the opposite of what they hoped.
And this isn't just theory. A doctor shared this story about a 73-year-old teacher. She had been taking a high dose for over a decade. She came in with all this strange bruising and bleeding gums. Turns out her vitamin E levels were 4 times the normal limit, and it was stopping her blood from clotting properly. The damage only started to reverse when she finally stopped taking it.
All right, let's move on to the second supplement to reconsider. Iron. Now this one is so important. Unless a doctor has done a blood test and told you you're deficient, taking extra iron as you get older can be really risky.
Here's why. After 60, our bodies tend to store iron instead of getting rid of it. Too much of it triggers something called the Fenton reaction. I love the campfire analogy. It's like that extra iron turns a small, helpful fire into a raging forest fire inside your organs. A 2023 study in The Lancet directly linked this excess iron in seniors to much higher rates of liver disease and even Alzheimer's.
Third on our list is one you see everywhere, often called the nerve vitamin, mega doses of vitamin B6. And here's the really cruel twist. The very thing people are taking to help their nerves can, in these huge doses, actually destroy them.
The risk here is a painful condition called peripheral neuropathy. A 2024 review in the journal Neurology found that taking more than 100 milligrams a day can lead to numbness, tingling, and a dangerous loss of balance. To put that in perspective, your body only needs about 1.7 milligrams. So when you flood it with 50 times that amount, it becomes toxic and starts stripping the coating right off your nerves.
Okay, and finally, the fourth supplement we need to talk about, and I'll be honest, this is probably the most surprising one for most people, because it's something we've always been told is just a smart, responsible thing to do, the daily multivitamin.
The problem is almost always with the synthetic kind. A massive 2023 study followed over 21,000 adults, and after 12 years, guess what they found? The multivitamin takers had zero reduction in heart disease, cancer, or death. The issue is really twofold. They're made with synthetic forms of vitamins our bodies can't really use, and they're often packed with industrial fillers that our liver then has to work overtime to deal with. Okay, I know that was a lot of don't do this. It's heavy stuff. But now, let's flip the script. Let's talk about the good news. Let's move from what to avoid to what your body is actually asking for. We're going to dive into 4 nutrients that have solid science behind them for improving your health as you age. So first on our needs list is vitamin D. And wow, just look at this chart. 70% of Americans over 60 are walking around deficient. And this isn't a small thing. It's directly linked to weaker bones, a weaker immune system, and even foggier thinking.
But here's the key, the real breakthrough. It's not just about taking any old vitamin D. The secret is to pair vitamin D3 times with vitamin K2. Taking D3 all by itself can actually cause some problems, and now we know why.
This analogy makes it so clear. Think of vitamin D3 as the delivery truck that carries calcium into your body. But vitamin K2? That's the GPS. It tells that calcium exactly where to get off, in your bones and teeth. Without that GPS, the calcium can get lost and end up hardening your arteries. A 2024 study proved it. People taking the D3 and K2 combo actually saw a decrease in arterial calcification.
Next up, a nutrient that is absolutely critical for your brain power and energy levels: vitamin B12. This deficiency is a silent epidemic, affecting almost 4 out of every 10 seniors. People just feel tired and a bit forgetful, and they chalk it up to getting older, when it could just be this simple, fixable issue.
Now, how you take B12 is everything. The form matters. You want to look for methylcobalamin on the label. That's the active form your body can use right away. And because our stomach acid can mess with absorption, those little sublingual tablets that dissolve under your tongue are a much, much better bet.
Let's move on to the relaxation mineral, magnesium. But honestly, that nickname doesn't even do it justice. This incredible mineral is involved in over 300 different jobs in your body, from keeping your heart rhythm steady to helping you get a good night's sleep.
And the research is just so powerful. A brand new 2024 study showed that seniors who got enough magnesium had a 34% lower risk of dying from cardiovascular disease. Think about that. It basically helps relax your blood vessels and just calm everything down.
And finally, number 1 on our needs list. If you're going to take just one thing, the overwhelming evidence points right here. A massive 2024 analysis called omega-3s the single most proven nutrient for senior health, for your heart, for your brain, and for taming inflammation.
I know we have covered a ton of information, and it can definitely feel like a lot to take in, but we're not going to leave it there. Let's boil all of this down into one simple, empowering first step that you can take starting today.
You don't need to change everything at once. The key is just to start. So this week, just pick one supplement from that first list to stop taking, then pick one from the second list to start. Maybe you ditch the synthetic multivitamin and you start taking D3 with K2. Just try it for 30 days, see how you feel, and of course, talk to your doctor and make a plan together.
So, let's end with this thought. It's the small, consistent steps that create the biggest changes. By understanding what your body really needs now, you're not just playing defense, you are actively building a stronger, healthier you. So I'll ask you, what if, with the right knowledge, this next chapter of your life could be the most vibrant and healthiest one yet?